Hello, hello. Keisha the teacher here. I am now outside the classroom, downtown Toronto with Chef Noel Cunningham. Today we're going to be talking money, we're going to be talking food, we're going to be talking the things. So tune in, check us out. Welcome. Thanks for taking the time to meet with me, talking about money, talking about food. You don't know the things there. Big up yourself.
Alright, thanks so much for having me, of course.
Yeah.
It's been a long time, right?
Long, yeah. Noel and I go way back.
Way back.
But I'm very glad now, outside of Keep, we can meet in person, we can talk. Noel is doing big and great things in Toronto. Come from Jamaica, here now in Canada, international, creating his brand, has business, cookbook, all these weird things. Noel, tell everybody about yourself.
Alrighty, so of course. Well, I think you told him some already, Chef Noel. Chef Noel, all the way from Kingston, Jamaica. You know, born and raised, and you know, I got my passion for culinary in my mom's kitchen. Went to culinary school. You know, throughout high school, I did food and nutrition. I knew that I wanted to become a chef. Yeah. And then, of course, I worked in several hotels along the North Coast. Went back to Kingston, worked as a chef, and then in 2013, I migrated now to Canada.
All right.
And I was up in Thompson, Manitoba, worked there. Manitoba.
What was that like?
That was super. Of course, I always stressed on the cold. It was very cold. It's a bit different from Toronto. It's not so much of a city, and it's, you know, more northern. And then now I did my hotel and restaurant management diploma there, and then I moved to Toronto in 2019, just before the pandemic, the 6th, where it's all happening. Yeah. So yeah, and I'm here now.
Alright, so what are you doing here in Toronto?
It's been good. So I came 2019 and then just working around, and the pandemic hit. But at the same time, I was launching my book at the end of 2019. So I was working on that. I already had my jerk marinade. And when the pandemic hit, I was more doing stuff virtually. So I started doing my What's Cooking with Chef Noel every Wednesday on my Facebook page. I was doing virtual events a lot. I'm zoomed out now. I don't want to see them over Zoom. Yeah. And so I was working right through the pandemic. And the pandemic was at my busiest time. My busiest year. 2020 was my busiest.
Wow.
Yeah. That's crazy to say. And in 2021, I started working outside of Free Play, where we're at now, Cuisine by Noel. So I started doing more catering, more daily lunches, stuff like that. So that's what I'm currently doing now.
Versatile, I like it. So cooking, book, product, monetizing your brand. I like that because typically where you see chefs just kind of stay in the kitchen. If they don't show up, can't make the money. If you're gonna fry, cook, steam.
Or they're in first, you can't.
So for you, you're making money in your sleep.
Yeah.
You are
Amazon go ping. PayPal go ping. Fresh money.
Right. That's a dream. So tell everybody, how does one as a chef, humble beginnings, you saw opportunity, take the opportunity, but you're also visionary because you're expanding, you have multiple revenue streams, as they said, that's the dream. So how can someone follow in your footsteps?
Well, how can you follow in my footsteps? I'm gonna say it's easy, and you can just follow in a footstep just like that. It's a lot of hard work, dedication, sacrifice, and it's a journey. It's not just stepping a foot in the shoes like that. So I would definitely say you must be focused, have a vision for yourself, know what you want, know where you want to go, and create your own blueprint. It's okay to look on someone's blueprint, but also create your own at the same time while you're over there looking, because everyone's journey is different.
True.
Everyone's journey is different. But overall, for me, just staying focused. Focus. It's like Usain Bolt is gonna run, and you have all these competitors beside him.
Yeah.
He's not even looking on them, he's just focusing on his race and how he's gonna finish, and you know, you gotta be focused. And it's very competitive as well, right? So focus is it for me,
Yeah, that makes sense. Focus, determination, consistency,
and dedication. You must love what you do. If you don't love what you do, then you can't be successful at all, because even though we're talking about money, sometimes when you just start, there's no money. You are pouring in, But at the end of the day, if you're focused, you know that at the end, the money will come. Do the work, and then the money will come.
Yeah, so we're going to talk more about the money now, because that's my
Me like the money too. Money up.
money up.
Yeah.
So, with your journey so far, any money questions for me?
Alright, so
talk to them.
my money question for you, which I've seen your show, I've seen your articles, I see all you're doing with money. I'm gonna say, I kind of like this, and especially for us as black people, we like to sometimes make the money and we floss, we burn it and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But we know about savings. But I want to ask you more on investment. What's the difference between the savings and the investment, and how do we go about that?
All right, so for entrepreneurs,
yeah,
saving is your safety net. The savings is, all right, I'm running my business, I have my rent to pay, my staff to pay, my fixed expenses. You have savings to cover that. So that in the event that you have no customer, you open, nobody comes in, no catering, no book sale, no ping, it was dead.
Yeah.
You have your savings now that you can put towards covering the expenses.
Yeah.
So I like to think of saving as safety net.
Yeah. I like that.
Get vex money, your thing shut down or your thing slow.
Yeah.
Savings, that's where they come in. Savings, however, can make you rich.
Yeah.
Savings don't bring wealth. When you earn the money in your business, you have to put it to grow.
Yeah.
To put it to grow, you have to invest it. Investing is the way the money grow. So when you now think about investments for you and your business, all of your earnings, outside of your emergency fund, you put that away, pay expenses, but then you have to pay yourself.
Self as well.
I always say 20% minimum.
Yeah.
You put that in an investment account every month, put it for growth. So you earn, make the money grow. And you want high growth kind of investments so that when you're ready for the money now in retirement, when you pack up and you say, all right, cuisine by Noel is taking myself tropical.
Yeah, or maybe the next location or something you want to invest now in. Yeah, that's all investment, Yeah,
the investment money now, you take that and you can put it now for grow even more.
More to something else.
Multiple locations, multiple books, multiple products. Build the empire. That's how it comes together.
So savings now, in a short term for people like, me and you, not cheap. It's more a short term goal, and the investment now is more for long term goals.
Yes, the big goals, I am building my empire, which you are. You are work, you are earn, but make the money work for you. Because money work harder than you can ever.
That's true, and that's what that's what the rich folks do. Their money work for them, and they're at the back, and the money's just doing its thing once you start to make that money.
So we want to do that. So at some point, but I mean, you're already on the path. Digital products, you're monetizing your brand. Put that money and invest it, put it to grow. That's the next piece of it there.
Okay. So that's clear on that. So I hopefully someone catch that, because that's also important in business. And the next question that I have for you is, how do I go up? I want to start a business, or I'm doing a business, but money management is just my problem. How do I manage my money? My tip is, although I'm asking you, is the first thing which I learned is when you're starting a business, you need first thing a separate phone line.
Yes.
And you need a separate bank account.
You can't mix up.
You need a business bank account. I learned that, and you must separate those. But for you, money management, what's your take on that?
Cash is king.
Yeah.
Especially in your nature business. Cash third, right? So it comes in, you have to pay it back out for inventory, staff, expenses, and so forth. So when you want to focus on with money management, I always say 50-30-20.
Yeah.
Even with your business, 50% goes towards expenses, your fixed expenses, 30% is your wants. So 30% you can say, well, I'm gonna try a new venture, I'm gonna do this, let me take care of myself, I'm gonna go up on a spa day or anything like that. Then 20% now you put to grow. You put that in the investments that you make your money work for you that way. So if you follow the 50-30-20, what happens then? You free up yourself. Less headache, less stress, less geez, me didn't remember this. Some people budget down to the last cent. That's stressful. Very, very stressful because you're busy.
We do that when I'm broke.
And so where the money goes? 50-30-20. Focus on growing. Focus on pushing the revenue. And then 50-30-20. Can't go wrong with that.
And how important really is money, like how important it is.
If you're serious about building wealth, you have to manage the money. I always say, if you don't know your money, you can't grow your money. You have to know where every cent is going. I'm not saying
I do that. I do that because even since I started the business here, I have my Excel sheets up, and I want to know where did this dollar go? And at the end of the month, I like when the month end and everything already tabby in. I don't want a new month start and I don't know where this went out. I like keep daily track, weekly track, and then I have some stuff that are monthly tracks.
Yeah, and then you have your budget too, your forecast.
Your forecast. So what I do, I look on like last year, like what I spent in terms of staff, and what I pay in terms of food for. And if I see my food increase, I knew that I had a catering or I had something that why it bumped up.
Yes.
Because I know that for next month I should be able to spend $2,000 on food. Because that's the same thing I spent maybe last month. So
right.
That kind of vibe. An estimate,
yes. You have to know it because you want to grow your business, grow your empire. So that is critical. Anyone really serious about building wealth have to understand money, understand how it works, understand how to grow it. So that is the secret.
I used a word earlier when it said a visionary, and as a business person or a person who loves money or dealing with money or manage, like it must be a visionary to plan that for a month, a year, the future, and plan also for retirement. Those kind of stuff are very important as well.
Yeah, because as much as it's a passion, you love cook one day,
when it's all
the knife, take off the
jacket, and
say,
that's that.
So you have to make sure at that point.
Especially when you're self-employed. Like where those pensions coming from? Are you invested in that? Your RSP and all of these stuff you're paying into it, so therefore you secure your old age pension because. When you get old, they must say, boy, you waste your days.
Yeah.
So, all of those money management.
Right. Yeah, you have a big chef, but you have to eat crackers. No. So, start thinking from now about the future. That is critical.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, and I love that because it's, we want to do the business, we want to do everything, I want to make money, but at the same time, that 20, 30, 50 is very important. That investment is very important because you're not just in business just to make money and bruff now, but also how will that money work for you?
Yeah, because that's what we want. We earn it, then we'll put it to grow. That is the key.
Yeah.
The key.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah. All right, well, let them know where to find it. What's in the future for Chef Noel?
All right, what's in the future for Chef Noel is I'm working on my second book, which I'm excited about. I'm taking my time with it. It's called Dirty 30.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's a very thoughtful and, playful cookbook for couples.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm trying to bring back love in the kitchen.
Oh, that's nice.
So instead of going out to eat, you can cook at home. So you're at work, and you come home. You can come home to a nice meal because Ozzy already lined up something from the book.
Oh, nice.
And it's all simple, from appetizer, entree, dessert, and you can also learn some breakfast in bed tips and stuff like that.
Yeah, I like it.
So I'm bringing back love in the kitchen, so I'm excited about that cookbook. Hopefully I have it for Valentine's 2023. So I'm working on that, working on some more products. I'm looking to do more products as well. Getting into stores, more production, employing more people, of course, and pretty much that. So you can find me at cuisinebynoel.com. Cuisinebynoel.com, that's my website. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter at I am Chef Noel. And if you're in Toronto, I'm at 300 College Street, right here inside of Free Play.
Yeah, so come for good food.
Yeah, good food,
Noel know the thing.
Caribbean fusion.
Yeah, up there.
I see what's up, Ackee and Sausage spring roll here.
Woo!
Which one to devour after this.
Yes, can't wait. All right, and you know where to find Profit Jumpstarter, IG Profit Jumpstarter, Facebook Profit Jumpstarter, and our website profitjumpstarter.com. If you're looking to come inside and meet other money people, Money Squad is where you need to be to learn investing, trading strategies, and find your money community, your money tribe. That's what we're all about. So check us out on our next episode.